Alright, so today we're going to show you how to calibrate the 7000XL from Doran Scales. This method will work for the 7000XL, the 4300, the 2200, 2200CW, the 8100 IS, and the 8200 IS. So first we're going to enter the calibration from the front panel. You're going to hold 0 in units at the same time. You're going to see some audit counters. It's going to say enter code and go blank. You're going to push the 0 5 times until it says 5 and press units. You'll see 1 cal. This means that you're in the parameter menu. On the parameter menu, you're going to push the 0 button on 1 cal to enter 1 cal. You'll see the capacity of the scale has been entered. This capacity says 25 pounds. If you push units, you'll see the count by, which is the resolution. These two options can be changed, but for right now we're just going to go right to cal 0. So right here we're going to do the 0 calibration point. At this point you want to make sure that the platform is empty, there's no weight on it. You're going to go ahead and push 0, it's going to count down. When it's done counting down, it should say cal FS for full scale and the full capacity of the scale. So it's asking for 25 pounds. At this point what we're going to do is we're going to put 25 pounds on the scale. When you have your weight on the scale, you're going to push 0. It's going to count down again. Let's say done, saved. We'll return to the normal weigh mode. If you see that it is showing you kilograms or any other unit of measure, just go ahead and push units until you get back to pounds, and it should show you that you got the right weight there. Remove the weight and make sure that it's coming down the right amount. Next, we're going to show you how to calibrate by changing the weight. Say, for example, you don't have the full scale amount. You can dial in the amount that you want and use a lower weight if that's what you have. So, on cal 0, nothing on the scale, push 0. It's going to ask you for the full scale amount. At this point, I don't have the full scale amount, but I do have 5 pounds. So, I'm going to hit the print button. And we're going to see one of the segments is illuminated, is flashing. You're going to hit print until you get to the section that you need to edit. So for me, I need to change the 2 to a 0. So I would hit the print button to select the digits. The flashing one is the one that's selected. And then you're going to hit the 0 button until you get to 0. In this case, it'll show up as a dash. Once you have that, you're going to put your weight on the scale. You're going to hit the print button until it runs off the screen and starts counting down. So I showed it, I'm giving you 5 pounds, I put 5 pounds on a scale, it's calibrated for 5 pounds, that's great. So we take that off, it goes back to 0, if I put 20 pounds on there, it'll give me 20. That's it.